Hello students, let us prove the following identities today. First one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And second one is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. And third is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So let us prove these one by one. So first of all, we will prove sin square theta plus cot square theta is equal to, first one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So let us draw first of all a right angle triangle ABC, in which angle A we will take as theta and B as right angle, and this is C. So in right triangle ABC, let angle A is equal to theta, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So therefore, as we know that the angle opposite to the base angle is perpendicular. So here BC is perpendicular. Angle side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. Therefore, AC is hypotenuse here, and AB is base. AB is base. So first of all, we will take the value of sin theta. So value of sin theta is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse, which is equal to BC over AC. Give it number 1. Now similarly calculate the value of cos theta. So we now know that cos theta is equal to base over hypotenuse, which is equal to AB over AC. Now take the left hand side of the identity. So left hand side is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now putting the value of sin theta, so sin theta here is BC over AB. So BC over AC, BC over AC square plus cos theta is AB over AC whole square. Now open the square, you will get BC square over AC square plus AB square over AC square. Now take the LCM. You will get the LCM as AC square. So it is equal to BC square plus AB square. But we know that, in triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So put this value of BC square plus AB square in this equation number 1. What will you get? You will get AC square over AC square. When we cancel down it will get 1. So therefore, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is the proof of this first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now let us start the second identity, which is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Secant square. So first of all, take left hand side. It is 1 plus tan square theta. First of all, we will calculate the value of tan theta. So from figure, what is tan theta? Tan theta is perpendicular over base, which is equal to BC over AB. Now put this value of tan theta in left hand side. So therefore, left hand side will become 1 plus tan square theta, which is equal to 1 plus BC over AB whole square. Now which is equal to 1 plus BC square over AB square. Now taking LCM AB, so AB square is equal to AB square plus BC square. But we know that AB square plus BC AC square. So we'll write here AC square over AB square, which can be written as AC over AB whole square. So what is AC here? AC is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse over base whole square. So hypotenuse base is secant theta. So it is secant square theta. So therefore 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Now similarly take the third identity, that is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So first of all calculate the value of cot theta. Cot theta is base over perpendicular, which is equal to AB over BC. Now take left hand side, which is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, which is equal to 1 plus AB over BC whole square, which is equal to 1 plus AB square, BC square. Now taking LCM, BC square, which is equal to BC square plus AB square. But we know that BC square plus AB square is AC square over BC square, which is equal to AC over BC whole square, which is equal to hypotenuse over perpendicular whole square. Hypotenuse is perpendicular is cosec theta, which is equal to cosec square theta. So therefore 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So in this way you can prove all the three identities. First one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second was 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. And third one is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. And that's all.